In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Google My Business customer care. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Google My Business Help. And then the first link is going to be from support.google.com business, and you want to click on the first link. So after you're in here, you want to scroll down to the bottom. Of course, you can browse different help topics over here. So in case you have a question and it's listed in here, of course, you're going to get the answer right away without any waiting. And then if you need more help, you can contact them via this. So you can get answers from community members, or you can contact them directly. So if you want to actually get in touch with their customer care, simply click on Contact Us. And here you will first have to basically tell them what your problem is. So which business do you need help with? Simply select your business over here, and then you can tell them how they can help you. So for example, how do I change my settings? This is the example. You can simply type in, how do I don't know, add WhatsApp, okay? For example, let's say this is the question. This is quite a common question. You have probably the answer to that on Google. However, let's say you typed in a question that you have no idea how to do and you cannot find any info on. Type that in, click on next. And then the next step will be over here what the best description for this issue is. So for example, this one is going to be, let's say, category isn't available, next step. And then over here, you will have to basically see the different similar basically articles that from people who have found these things helpful. And after that, you want to click on next step in case that's not helpful. And then over here, you will have an option, one of these three. So you can either get a call, you can chat, or you can use email. So if you use hours of operation over here, you can see on Sundays, because today is Sunday, they are closed. But if you are trying to do this anytime on Monday or Tuesday from these times over here in your current time, for me it's displaying CET, so Central European Summer Time, you're gonna be able to basically see all the operating hours on all days if you click on Show All over here for your current time zone. So just look when they're working, get back here, and then get either a call or get in chat with them, and then they will help you out. But of course, you can always write them an email by clicking email over here. And then, as you can see, you will have to fill this form up, and after that, you'll simply have to press submit, and just like that, you will get help from their customer care. So those are the options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.